Yes, y'all. It's your boy Cam Legend. I hope all is well with you today. Another beautiful day in nature, another beautiful day in the Matrix. I'm grateful, I'm grateful, I'm grateful. Before I proceed, please press the like button. Today's video is going to be about how to make habits more attractive. So one of my habits is to go outdoors every day. Why? Because I'm an adventurer. I like to explore the surroundings around me. I like to reflect. I like to chill out. Not only that, I like to sun gaze because it gives me inspiration. A lot of ideas come to me effortlessly. Another habit of mine is content creation. Every day I create content. So I like to do this outdoors. Why? Because I kill two birds with one stone. And this makes this habit attractive. Not only that, it hits me from a core identity level because I'm an adventurer, explorer, I'm a content creator, I'm a YouTuber. There's no reason for me to tail off. There's no reason for me to not complete this habit every day. Okay? So, habits. Habits compound over time based upon their attractiveness, even if it's a good habit, even if it's a bad habit. So in Atomic Habits, there's a section about making habits attractive. If we look at games, for example, over time, games have become more attractive. Chess, highly strategic, but very boring to observe. You move later in times. Connect 4, strategic, but very fun, very sociable. And if you win or lose, it's not a big of a deal unless you put money on the game. You know what I'm saying? But essentially, it's not so serious compared to chess. Then, 21st century, we have Grand Theft Auto. Completely different world. You have your own avatar, essentially. You have your own house. You have money. You're doing missions. This video game is highly addictive because you're now going into a new world. You see? So essentially, these people have figured out gamification. And if we reverse engineer that and gamify our lives and make mundane habits more attractive, we can also gain results over time through compounding. So this is what we need to do. I'm a reader, and it can be boring sometimes, especially if you're comparing it to playing video games. It's just a fact. Why? Because video games does something to us from a neurological point of view. Oxytocin, it's a hormone, a love hormone. So that feeling to always play video games is really hitting us internally. Reading books, sometimes you get that feeling, you get that aha moment, and you might fall in love with a chapter, but it's a delayed gratification. You may have to read 100 pages before you fall in love with a chapter, whereas a game gives you that instant gratification. And that instant gratification can really set you up for failure in real life because things do take time in this physical reality. Whereas time in a video game is on its own wavelength, right? It's on its own time scale. And you're literally going into a portal when you play a video game. That's why you can be playing video games for hours and time has flown by in actual real life, right? So when it comes to reading, you want to spice it up. Read outdoors sometimes. That will inspire you. That will hit you from an internal level to continue this habit, which is going to give you delayed gratification, but it's going to compound over time and you're going to see the results in your life. I'm also an astrologer and Jupiter is in Pisces. Jupiter is a planet of abundance. Pisces is a sign of imagination. So during this transit, you want to find a productive habit that may be mundane and spice it up, make it fun. And if you feel like you're somebody who lacks creativity, before bed, say, I'm creative, I'm creative, I'm creative. Why? Because 3 is a magic number and it does something to our subconscious mind. And before bed is when you're most receptive. You're drowsy. So your conscious mind, that is your hater, can't get in the way because it's going subliminally into your subconscious mind. And over a few days, you'll see that you have a boost in creativity. If you've liked this video, you know what to do. Also leave a comment and let me know the results you may get from this mind hack. Peace.